What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. We got a special treat for you today. We're here at Copart. We're going to try to find something cool, something great. We brought a truck, we brought a trailer. We want to take something home. We usually buy something all smashed up in here, but we want to hit the lot. We want to see what we can find. Maybe we can find a truck or a Jeep or anything like that that doesn't have so much damage that we might be able to pick it up, take it home, clean it up, shine it up, make it look like something without going through the trouble of completely rebuilding it. And is it possible to do that? Can we find something like that on this Copart lot today? Here at Orange Wires Garage, you know that we love Toyota Tacomas. We looked at a new one. We looked at an old one. Those had just a little too much damage. And then we settled in on this one. This one is a 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. It looks pretty good, minimal damage, looking good all over. We kind of want to bid on this one, but we can't go crazy here. Let's see what Kelley Blue Book says. We quickly went over to kellybluebook.com. We punched in our options on this 2015 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive TRD Sport. Has 105,000 miles. And then retail value on this truck is around $21,000 to $24,000. So this is giving us an idea of what we should bid. One of the great features about Copart, if it has a clean title, it has an auto check VIN report. You just click here and we can see that this has a 92 buyback rate, which is really good. Further giving us an idea of what we should bid. So now that we know what it's worth, we looked at the VIN report, we checked it over really good. We looked inside, we looked at the outside, we looked under the hood, and we looked underneath. We found a small problem underneath. Somebody cut one of the catalytic converters off the truck. We started it up. Live bidding starts now, and we're ready to bid. The opening bid is at $13,200, and we're hitting the button. It's not doing anything. We're gonna miss out. Oh, we finally got a bid in. I really want this truck. Gonna bid again.
This is a hot lot.
Oh, they just keep bidding against us, but we're just keep bidding. Gonna bid again. Oh, we've got the budget figured out, but I really want to get this right in here. Right around 16 would be great. Ah, we just got outbid again. Once more. Come on, come on. Ah, we're gonna bid again. Come on. 16.6. Are we gonna win it? Bonus time. Bonus time. We'll go again. If they bid, I'm gonna go again. All right, we won. Let's go pay for a truck and get it picked up. We just bought this truck for $16,600. Copart tacked on $10 environmental fee, $1,203.50 buyer fee, $149 virtual bid fee, $79 gate fee, which makes a grand total of $18,041.50 out the gate. So let's take this truck home and we'll look it over good. First thing we did when we got this truck home is we made a checklist. We need to order the catalytic converter, order the oxygen sensor, clean the outside, clean the inside, install the new parts, do some general maintenance on the truck, take it for a test drive, and repair that exhaust pipe. This thing is an awesome truck. We've got high hopes for it. So let's check it out real quick and see what we bought. So just checking this thing out down this side, you notice it looks pretty good. It's not all smashed up like the ones we normally buy. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. And even checking down the driver's side, we only have a butterfly on the door. So this thing's got 105,000 miles. It was a stolen vehicle, which it still poses a question. Were we able to find a good truck at Copart that we can just clean up, and do a little bit of maintenance and try to sell for a profit? Man, that sounds really good. So we might as well go ahead, get the green machine out, pressure wash this thing off, clean it up really good, and kind of check it over and see what we got. Let's get to work. Since it unloaded, we've been working on this truck, so let's revisit our checklist and see where we're at. We ordered that catalytic converter, we ordered the oxygen sensor, and we cleaned on this outside, and we got the truck so shiny. It looks really, really good. We took the steam cleaner to the inside, and we got the inside looking really good. Everything cleaned up very nice. We went through some of the maintenance items. We checked that off our list. So let's see if we got any parts in, and let's continue repairing this truck. We had a broken wheel stud up front. We also changed that sucker out. Got that looking 100% now. You know, this truck had a missing catalytic converter from when they stole it, and we just happened to get this thing in today. Also got us a new Bosch oxygen sensor for it. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and get it all ready to get up to the muffler shop to get this little short piece of pipe welded on, because they actually cut the flange off, which that should not be a big deal at all. We got that cab replaced. We want to drive this thing to the muffler shop tomorrow to get that little piece of pipe welded on. What we want to do is just drive it down the road here and kind of see how everything works and make sure that we drive good enough to get to the muffler shop and back. It's pretty loud. That exhaust is pretty loud. I'll open it up here. We had fun driving that thing around. Now let's revisit our Tacoma checklist here, and let's see what we did here. We've installed the new parts. We took it for a test drive. We repaired the exhaust pipe, and that completes our checklist. So what we want to do is we want to go over the total price, the total cost of our investment here. So the catalytic converter was $120. The oxygen sensor was $65. We had $25 in cleaning supplies. It was $80 for the muffler shop. We spent $73 in gas for the Tacoma and the Tundra to pick it up. So that gave us a total expense of $363 on this Tacoma. And we paid $18,041 to Copart out the door. So the total investment of this truck is $18,404. So you can't figure cost if you don't compute the labor. So we had about 8 hours invested in time going to Copart, bidding on the truck, picking up the truck and bringing it back home. Then we had a good another 8 hours cleaning up the outside and cleaning up the inside. Like I'm showing you now, we're just really shining this truck up. And then just to throw out another for good measure, we did want to list this truck for sale, so we wanted to see if we could just flip it really quick, invest our money in something else. So we went ahead and took some pictures and listed it on the Facebook Marketplace, which is another few hours, let's say 4 hours, so 20 hours total in time that we had in this truck. We decided to post it for sale on Friday night. Looking at the Kelley Blue Book, the retail was $21 to $24. It was a nice truck. We decided to go on the high side of that. We posted the truck for sale for $24,300. Truck turned out really nice. It looked really good, and the pictures looked even better. So you can imagine the messages that started pouring in. People were kicking the tires like crazy, making all kinds of lowball offers. So there was a lot of people kicking the tires, but there were some that were serious about the truck. They wanted a lot of information. They asked a lot of questions. So we provided all that, and we agreed to meet somebody around noon on Monday to test drive the truck and see what they thought about it. Monday rolled around. It's exactly 10 days later from when we met this truck just like this at Copart. So we got to come up with a nice negotiation strategy. We got $18,404 in this truck plus 20 hours of time. He showed up, he took it for a test drive. I knew he loved it. We agreed on the price. We agreed on $23,000. Felt like that was fair to him. He felt like that was fair to me. I shook his hand. He took the truck and off he went. Let's take just a minute and look at the investment numbers that we had versus the amount of time we had in it. Looking at our final numbers here, we had initial investment of $18,404. We sold the truck for $23,000. That gave us a profit of $4,596. We spent 20 hours of time working on the truck, which that makes $229.80 per hour, which is pretty good. So that does answer the question. If you walk around Copart, if you look around, if you do your research, you can find a truck or a car that needs just a little bit of work, and then you can sell it and you can make a profit. And we did okay on this one. We can't do it like this every day, but we did it today. And if you like this video and it's helped you in any way, drop us a like. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. If you want us to do another video like this, leave it in the comments down below. We'll do our best to accommodate you. We do appreciate each and every one of you. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you next time. We're out.